guys, it's Julia here. So I just filmed this makeup look. It is a really simple, easy, quick makeup look for spring and summer, focusing on peaches and pinks, which is literally my favorite color to wear. So you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. Hey guys, how cheesy was that intro, by the way? All right, so I'm going to start out with some IT Cosmetics CC cream, and I'm just blending it all over my face, using my fingers to really warm up the product. Next, I'm using MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Medium Plus and just buffing this powder all over my face. It really provides kind of a natural finish and medium coverage. Now I'm using this product from Milk Makeup in the color Perk. It's a really nice cream product. I'm actually going to use it on my eyes, cheeks, and lips. And you'll see I'm just kind of blending it out with my fingers. And then I'm going to use a powder blush in the color Dandelion by Benefit just to set it over top because I have extremely oily skin. Now onto brows. I'm using the brow pencil from Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color Taupe, and I'm just filling in my sparse eyebrows, just following along the shape of my natural brow. Now I'm going to go back to the Milk Makeup cream product and put that all over my lid. And again, let's make it easy and blend it out with our fingers. Now I'm going to take a blending brush. I think this is the MAC 222, and use the color Buck. It's from the Naked palette, and put it through my crease. Buck is a really nice neutral shade that is really good to just throw in the crease to really warm up any eyeshadow that you have on. And I'm actually taking the color all the way through my crease into the inner corner. I'm also going to use the highlight shade in the color Sin from the Naked palette right in the inner corner just to give me a little pop. Now onto eyeliner. I'm using my absolute favorite eyeliner in the color Teddy by MAC, and I'm just applying it to my upper waterline and then my lower waterline. And ladies, just remember whenever you're touching your eye like I'm doing here, just be really gentle because we don't want those premature wrinkles now, do we? I'm taking a pencil brush and I'm just going to kind of smudge out that bottom so I have more of a softer line and blending it from my waterline a little bit lower to my lash line. Now I'm applying my favorite mascara by Thrive Cosmetics, and I'm just kind of wiggling it through my lashes, doing it on both sides. Looking back, I should have probably done 2 coats because I like the look of spidery lashes. Anyone with me? Okay, so lips, here we go. Putting it all over my lips, loving this color, and then adding Shy Girl by MAC on top just to give it a little bit more of a peachy look. Okay, so here is the final look. That was pretty simple, easy. I really just used this one product on eyes, cheeks, and lips. A great look for spring, so I really hope that you guys enjoy. All right, bye.